right. Oh my goodness. All right. What is going on, everyone? Oh, I'm sorry. My voice is almost completely gone now. This is actually pretty crazy. So I don't know how long I'm going to make it today. Probably not too long. But, anyways, welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. My name's Odum. And what we do here on YouTube is every Monday through Friday, we get together, we live stream, and we figure out and we build a business that we hope is going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. And I'm not going to talk too much. We're going to get right into the style guide. I'm just working away on this, and I won't even do any kind of recap. I'll just maybe talk a little bit about what I'm doing. So, yeah, because I can't really talk. So we have the style guide here, and I pretty much have things done the way that I want them to be done. Actually, we can just play it here. So yeah, we have our elements, we have our headings. Basically, everything's done, and everything has all the properties here listed. And I've designed it as well too, just to be responsive. So it does cut down things a little bit. Well, as the body, and then it has everything underneath it, and then the menu here works, and you can kind of get into whatever it is that you're looking for. So yeah, super happy with how things looked. So this page is done, but what I wanted to do is, or what I want to do, and I'm not sure exactly how to display this, is I like within the style guide. I don't have it actually here. Where do I have it? Oh, I have it here. So this is the style guide as it is right now. It actually showcases and shows what each of the elements or the classes and elements look like, as opposed to here where it just shows the properties. So I kind of want to have this as well. So what I'm doing is I'm creating this other page where I'm having this stuff. It's going to be displayed as well. So if you look at this page here, we have the colors kind of on display. This is, I don't even know if we need to duplicate the colors, but they're here anyways. But here we have the layouts, and this kind of shows how things work. We have the container here. We have this section, the page wrapper and the page main. There's nothing on there, in there. So there's just kind of empty classes. But again, we want to just create the class. And that's the class kind of right here. And then we have the elements. Here's what a paragraph looks like, a block quote, a link, ordered lists, unordered lists. And same thing with the headings, text size, text weight, text style, right? Yeah, I think you get the picture. So I wanted to put that in here. So what I was working on now is just kind of the margins. And we have margin top, margin bottom. And there's just one other thing now that we want to do. And I think it's, well, let me just have a quick look now. I can't quite remember. Do we have another page? We do have another page. Oh, we have margins on both sides. 0. Okay. Perfect. So let's just, we're going to get right into this here. Oh, we're actually missing a margin bottom 0. So I'm going to actually go here. And I do have this cut and paste thing which I was working on. We're going to rename this margin bottom 0, hit enter, and go back to this style. And this is going to be a 0. All right, perfect. We're going to copy this. Actually, we can't copy it just quite yet. We need to copy this one. We're going to do margin bottom 0. And we're going to delete this one. And then we're going to copy and paste this one into here. All right, that's what the margin bottom 0 looks like. Looks like this one, but it has the different styling. The top and then the bottom. Oh, this is demo. This one doesn't have an is demo. I don't think we actually need this class here. No, we do for this one. We do need for this one. Why don't we need it for this one? Oh, because it has this here. Whoops. Delete that, delete that. Yeah, is demo. Didn't have this class applied to it. Not sure why. 1.5. Okay. Okay, so now we want to do margin for all of them, right? So I'm going to rename this one. This I'm just using to help me rename the classes easily without having to redo things with combo classes, which are never the most fun. So 0 and 0. Okay. So copy and paste this one. This will just be a margin 0. Again, delete that and copy and paste in there. All right, excellent. And then we do the same thing with 1. Margin 1. And we go into that class. It's going to be 1 up here. And then also 1 up here. All right. Copy. And, oh, I think we need to paste it in there. Delete this one. All right, and that's perfect. That's what that looks like. So we have the margin on the top and the bottom, and it gives it that little bit of a gray color, or a little bit of gray outline. So we have margin 1, margin 2, 3. Mm-hmm. Sorry, no, I'm not going to be talking too much. All right, there we go. Margin 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now, we need to do the same thing, but for padding. Let's just call this margin. I wonder if there's a way. Right, so what is the padding looks a little bit different. How are we gonna style the padding? Let's think about this for a second. I think we might just need to wrap it around in a class. So if I take this, let's just copy and paste this one. Hang on a second. I'm going to put it here, and we're going to wrap it around in a block. Grid 1. Okay, we're just going to call this padding top 3. And I think what we want what does with margin do? Right. Okay. And width height. Okay. delete that. Right, so this is the empty div. And I think we just need to wrap this around. Wait, hang on. Let me think. How does this one work? Where's the padding coming from? I remember having some trouble with this before when I actually... Why don't I just go look at my old one and look at how I did it? Right. So actually, I think we can... If we go here, all sites... Ooh. No, it should be here. Let's go to the home page. All right. So we have our empty div. And then we have this padding section small. Oh, we just do it on here. Okay, perfect. I think that works. So what that means is we go here. And no. Oh shit, where are we? Down. And then we wrap this around and we just call this one padding top 3. Oh. All right, so we have that. But we still need one additional wrapper around here. Oh, jeez. This one needs to be 100%. If I can type correctly. There we go. And then we also need to give it a background color so we can see it. There we go. And that's the padding. And the difference between this one and this one is I put the dotted line so you can see that the margin becomes part of the element, whereas the padding is on the top, right? So there's differences between how paddings and margins work on the element, right? So perfect. Okay. So I think we can just copy these ones pretty easily. And here we can go padding top 0 and just rename this one to padding top 0. And surprise, surprise, the padding on the top is 0. All right. 1. Padding top 1. All right. Top 2. 2. Oh. All right. Excellent. So copy this one. And start the whole process. Padding bottom. Zero, right? Okay. And 1, 2, and 3. Copy that one for next time. 2. All right. Good. And this one, now the last one, is just padding for all of them. Padding 0. Oh. All right. For both of them. All right. These are old ones. I need to delete these ones. Or that one. All right. So padding 0, 1. Okay. And that one. One and 1. And padding 2. All right, good, good. And 3. Excellent. Perfect. So that's all of our padding done. I like it. I like just having this visual representation of what things are. So that's really, really good. All right. Do we have time for something else? What do I want to see here? Basically, what's next? What do we have that's next? So we did that, HTML, we did headings, typography, we did spacing. So now we have buttons. We need buttons to do, the utility rich text. There's not too much left to do. Let's throw out, maybe we can start with, I think we can start with maybe doing a rich text. Actually, you know what? Because my voice is feeling really, really terrible, and I don't want to subject you guys to this terrible voice, I think what I'm going to do, I'll just stop it here, and I'm just going to work behind the scenes tonight and just to get this thing all wrapped up, because there's not too many things left to do. We just need to clean this thing up, give ourselves a nice home page, a nice landing page, and then push this thing out the door. So we'll be done this thing sometime tomorrow for sure. So I'm going to leave it here for today. Try to rest up my voice so I'm back at it again tomorrow. So sorry about the short video, but thank you for bearing with me. If you did make it this far, I do really appreciate the support. Thank you very much. And as always, rain or shine or voice or no voice, we'll be back here tomorrow, plugging away, building ourselves our company, which is going to take us to good places. So excited for that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.